Welcome to another video by Team Adcom. In this particular video, we will be discussing a problem that is associated with the blood relation. This particular topic can be there in the logical reasoning chapter of Applied Maths class 11 syllabus, as well as the blood relation is a common topic in all the competitive examination, especially in reasoning part. So the question is, they have given you a statement. By analyzing each statement, you need to make a family tree. By using that particular family tree, you should answer the question. In order for the understanding purpose, I am using some notation. That is not a standard notation. You can use your own choice. You can use a notation according to your choice. So for example, if a person is a male, he will be represented inside a square or a rectangle. So a male will be represented inside a square or a rectangle. A female will be represented inside a circle. Female will be represented inside a circle. Okay, male will be represented inside a square or a rectangle. Female will be represented inside a circle. Then if two persons are siblings, the siblings are connected or represented by using a double-headed arrow. The siblings are represented by using a double-headed arrow. The couples, the husband and the wife is connected by using a plus sign. Then from one generation to the next generation is represented by using a down-headed arrow. The next generation is represented by using a down-headed arrow. So we can see the question, read the information given below and answer the questions that follow. In a family, there are 9 members, A, B, C, D, E, E, F, G, H, I. That means that all belongs to one single family. This family consisting of 3 generations. That means first generation, second generation, and the third generation. And we have three married couples. So 3 couples are there. First statement what they have given now, I is the grandson of E. So we have I is a grandson. So obviously I will be a male. So he can be represented by using a rectangle or a square. So since I is the grandson of A, I will be in the third generation and A will be in the first generation. So A will be in the first generation. A will be in the first generation and I will be in the third generation. I is the grandson of A, who is married to a doctor. That means A is married to a doctor. That means A is married to a doctor. A is married to a doctor. We don't know who is a doctor or what I can say. What is the gender of the doctor. So we are just writing it as A is married to a doctor. Another statement what they have given now. C is the mother of D. C is the mother of D. So C is the mother. So C will be a lady. Who is the mother of D? Who is the mother of D? Then F is the daughter-in-law of C. That means F is the daughter-in-law of C means C's son's wife is F. C's son wife is F. So F is the daughter-in-law. So F is the daughter-in-law. So we don't know whose wife is F. So we are just writing it as F is the daughter-in-law of C. Since F is the daughter-in-law, F will be represented by using a using a circle. Next, G is a teacher and is the father of each. G is a teacher. So they're telling that we have a person called G. G is a teacher. Who is the father? Since G is the father, G will be a male. Who is the father of? Who is the father of H? Who is the father of H? Where H, who is the first cousin of E and I? That means H will be the first cousin of E and I. H will be the first cousin of E and I. So what we can write? If you are writing A and a doctor, A is married to a doctor. We don't know this particular relation. Since I is the grandson, we know that I is the grandson. I and H are first cousins. So we can write that I and H are first cousins. So what I can say? I and H are first cousins. So G is also a part in this particular family. Then E is the daughter of F. E is the daughter of F. So when you take E is the daughter of F. So E is the daughter of F, who is an engineer. So who is an engineer? E is the daughter of F, therefore F will be an engineer. F is an engineer. Okay. Next is D is the sister of B. So we can write that D is the sister of B. So we know that D is the sister. D is the sister of B. B's sister is D. Okay. D's sister is B. So we got this much information. How can we connect it? That is a more important thing what we need to know. All these members are going to be the member of a single family. Member of a single family. See, G is a teacher. G is a teacher. F is going to be what? F is going to be the daughter-in-law. So F should be married to either D or B, because D and B are the children of C. So since F has to become the daughter-in-law of C, mean F has to marry to either D or B. But since D is a female, so F cannot get married with a D. So only the possibility is that F can get married with B. So the F will be married with B. F can be get married with B. So how can we write? We can write it as A, and there will be a doctor. There will be a doctor, and there will be a doctor, and A's grandson is I. A's grandson is I. So when you're connecting it up, we have okay, a grandson is. So we know that F is getting married to B. So F is getting married to B means, so we can write it as, we have a C here. C has two children. One is a D and another one is a B. So B can get married to the engineer. So B is getting married to the engineer, that is F. F is an engineer. Since F is an engineer and who is a wife of B, B will be a male. They will be having a kid. They will be having a kid that is called E. They made a statement that H is the first cousin of E and I. H is the first cousin of E and I means most probably E and I will be siblings. E and I will be siblings. Correct? So there is one more reason to express like that, because B and F. Then what about D? So G is a teacher. G is a teacher. So G's son is H. G's son is H. So G is a teacher. G is a teacher. He is having a children H. Okay, he is having a children H. Since E and H are first cousins, G should be the husband of D. G should be husband of D. Otherwise, E and H cannot become the first cousins. Since, okay, done. If we are connected like this, so E and I are siblings. Since E and H are first cousin, I and H are first cousin. So this I is going to be the son of, I is going to be the son of B and D. So now they are first cousins, no issues. Since I is the grandson of A, C is married to A. I is the grandson of A. C is married to A. Since C is a lady, so her profession will be doctor. Her profession will be doctor. So obviously we have A over here. A will be a male. A will be a male. Done. So A will be a male. Done. We draw the family diagram. So then E and I are siblings. E and I are siblings. Now done. Then they mentioned that there is a male lawyer. Oh, one more thing here you need to understand. The eldest member of the family is retired. The eldest member of this family is either A or C. C is already a doctor, so A will be retired. So they will be the retired person. F is an engineer. G is a teacher. They're telling that they're telling that there are three unmarried students. There are three unmarried students. A is married, C is married, G is married, D is married, B is married, E is married. Unmarried students are G, E, and I. Therefore, H, E, and I are unmarried students. H, E, and I are unmarried students. Done? Okay, well, good. So then we have a male lawyer. So HEI cannot become the male lawyer. Here A have a profession. Then another male is G. G is a teacher. Only the male that is remaining is B. So B can only be the male lawyer. So B will be the lawyer. Then there is a female politician. Every other people have a profession. So D is not having a profession. She is a female. So D is a politician. D is a politician. Okay, done. So the family tree is done. Now we need to add who is the politician? D is the politician. Who is the lawyer? B is the lawyer. What is the profession of C? C is a doctor. Name the three students. Three students are H, E, and I. Three students are H, E, and I. How many children does engineer have? Who is engineer? F. B and F are couples. They have two children, E and I. So they have two children too. How A related to H? For H, A is their grandfather. How A related to H? How A related to H? For H, A is the grandfather. A is the grandfather. So this is the way in which we can solve the problem that is associated with the blood relation. Hope the video is useful. If you need any clarification, do let us know in the comment section. As a token of gratitude, please like to this particular video, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.